From a tabletop position, plant the left hand below the left shoulder and bring the right hand to the back of the head. Don't wing the hips to the side as you inhale and pull the right elbow high. The more you push into the left hand, the more you can pull the right elbow high and then spiral the gaze up. Exhale, come back to center, tap right elbow to opposite arm. Inhale, twist up and open with strength. Don't wing the hips to the side. Exhale, lower down, tap elbow to opposite arm. That's 2, 3 more. Inhale to lift and pull. Exhale, tap, 3, 4. And on the 5th one, straighten the right arm as you lift it high. Plant the right hand below the right shoulder. Bring the left hand to the back of the head. Don't wing the hips to the side. Pull the left elbow high toward the ceiling. Push into the right hand and spiral the gaze to look up as well. Exhale, rotate down, tap left elbow to right arm. Inhale, open it up with strength. Exhale, rotate down and tap. That's 2. 3, 4. On the 5th one, we straighten the left arm as we lift it high.